Every English sentence ever made, every single one, follows one pattern. Who plus does what plus any extra details. Who does what plus any extra details. That's it. That's the entire pattern. Who, the subject. I, you, she, he, they. That's what it is. Does what? That's the action. Eat, speak, dance, run. Plus extra details. Anything else you want to add, like where, how, why. Let me decode a sentence for you. I eat rice. I is the subject. Eat is the verb. Rice is the extra detail. So, I eat rice. So, as you can see here, we have this. I eat rice. I, as in who? The subject. Eat does what? The verb. Rice. Extra details. So, I eat rice. So, the first important things part of a sentence is the subject and the verb. And then you add extra details. So this right here is a sentence, a complete sentence. I eat rice. I eat beans. Or I eat bread. Now, watch what happens when I expand it. I eat rice, okay? I eat rice every morning. I eat rice every morning. Extra details added. So the same formula and just extra details added. You can also say, I eat rice every morning before I go to work. See? Same formula. We just add extra details at the end. Okay. Before I go to work, I eat rice every morning before I go to work. Same formula, same structure. Say this with me out loud. I eat rice. I eat rice. Good, now it's your turn. I'm going to give you a subject and a verb. And you're going to form a sentence with both with them right now, out loud. You don't have to write it down, just say it right now as you're watching this video. And comment it down below. Okay, are you ready? You plus what? You want. Now, build a sentence with this subject and this verb. You plus what? Drop it down in the comment and I will check each comment and answer you and show you if you're right or wrong. And while you're working on that sentence, I want to let you know something. I'm offering free one-on-one calls, 20-minute one-on-one calls with my students for a limited time only, where I get to ask you questions and we discuss your problems when it comes to speaking English, and I help you find a solution. If that's what you want, comment call to book a free call right now. Did you say it? Drop it down in the comments. I really enjoyed making this video, and as you all know, I'm always happy to help. So if you also enjoyed watching this video and you found it really helpful, then make sure you subscribe, because this is the first episode of my series, Speak in Sentences. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to talk about right now, the present, what you're doing right now. How to say what you're doing, what you're feeling, what is happening, all of that. So subscribe so you don't miss it. And I've already dropped the video. I will link it somewhere around here so you can watch it. If not, then subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you get notified whenever I drop the next video. And I'm thinking of turning this into a simple worksheet. What do you think of that? Like a worksheet where I'll give you like more subject verb phrases, and you can use them to build out full sentences. I think it's a nice way to practice daily, and a nice way to build your sentence building skills. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know in the comments and I will create it for you for free. And also don't forget, if you want to book a free call with me, one-on-one for 20 minutes, comment the word call. And hey, don't just close this video and forget about it. I want you to rewatch it and practice the sentence that you came out with. Keep practicing it out loud, say it out loud throughout the day, and also try to form more sentences using the formula I taught you in this video. Okay? I wanted to make this video longer, like 19 minutes long and all, but I thought maybe I should make a simpler version first, like a shorter version, so you don't get overwhelmed, to ease you into it, and then maybe I can make a full 20 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour breakdown on making sentences. I don't know. What do you think about that? Should I make a full video, or was this the better choice? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.